Man, welcome to the Fallen Heaven Family United. Welcome to Freddy the Truth. Well, one of my pages got terminated. I can't even get on YouTube on that page. Can't even sign in. How to make a whole new account. I must be doing something right for my whole YouTube page to get terminated. But they got another thing coming. Cause I don't lay down for nobody. This is Doenut Factory. America's second wave will be a depression. Listen, that's when you need to worry. It's the second. Listen, there's gonna be a second and third wave, and yeah, I need to be prepared because it's gonna get worse. Yeah, I keep saying it. Y'all think these lights ain't gonna go out? That's the next step. That's another agenda. Turn off the lights. See how y'all can survive at night with no lights on. Not much loitering can happen. Where you live at? Nigga, people gonna try to break in your house and you gotta shoot niggas just for trying to break in your house. That's how bad it's gonna get. Listen, the creator is giving you time. You think he's not giving you time? He's giving you time. But people so blinded by stuff. Because they blinded by the stimulus checks and everything. That he's giving you time. He's giving you time to re up on food. He's giving you time. If y'all want to go buy somewhere to live underground, he's giving you all the time in the world. But no, people want to go out. Listen, you see people out here buying houses. That house ain't going to save you from the stuff that's about to go down soon. That's why people saying, listen, y'all better start selling your things and start traveling light. Because I don't know how you're going to pick up your whole house if push comes to shove, right? I don't know how you got to pick up your whole house if push comes to shove and take it with you. Because it's not happening. Listen, the most you got to take out your house is food, right? All the necessities from the bathroom and the clothes. That's it. Everything else is going to be irrelevant for anything because you ain't going to be able to travel with it. Unless you got a laptop, but that's not even going to work. Let's get into this video.
Hey everybody. The White House is ordering all staff to wear face masks at all times. And I think Jello Biafro was right about having all the White House wear clown suits because politics today is nothing but a joke. In today's news, rental giant Hertz could be in bankruptcy in weeks. Hertz, one of the biggest businesses, we see them everywhere at all the airports. They don't have enough money saved away, the biggest company in the world pretty much, to get through 1 to 2 months. How could the biggest company not afford to get by for a couple months? This came out before the shutdown, February 25th, 2020. Outstanding auto loan balances just hit a record high and delinquencies are on the rise. Auto loan delinquencies were at Great Depression levels before the shutdown hit the world. All the insiders know that this depression was already here before the Black Swan event. The delinquencies for subprime auto loans is at record highs in 2019, just like the 2008 subprime mortgages, which fueled the economic collapse of 2008, which we just never fully recovered from. We just kicked the can down the road with bailouts. 40% of Americans before this new normal couldn't afford $400 for a rainy day because they have been in debt. And when you're in debt, you're screwed and you're a slave to the system. The Great Depression, the unemployment rate during that time was 24.9. And right now, the White House are telling us that we're at past 20% Great Depression levels as the stock market keeps rising. And they say it's 20%, but it's a lot higher. Coronavirus unemployment, 1/4 of Californians workers could lose jobs, governor says. But the stock market is rallying. 5 reasons the market is rising while unemployment is skyrocketing. This picture of this guy is a perfect example of the American people and worldwide, the people worldwide, just super confused and with great fashion. The stock rally is signaling an abnormal economic recovery, not a V-shaped coronavirus rebound, because these companies are being bailed out and the Fed is pumping the stock market. It makes no sense that the stock market is going all the way up as 40 to 50% of people are unemployed and waiting in food lines. Traders scratch their heads as financial stocks soar 2,800%. While the big businesses like casinos, cruise lines, credit card companies are getting bailouts, they're saying that these bailouts are for the common man, for the small businesses. But the small businesses aren't seeing any kind of support. All the support has gone to the big companies and the wealthy elitists. Airlines say massive job cuts are inevitable after bailout money dries up, because they use that money to pump the stock market and help out their shareholders. It pays to stay unemployed. That might be a good thing. So this is just a sign of the times of the American people and worldwide just becoming more dependent on big daddy government to take care of them. As countries restart and we start seeing people going out and businesses opening up, who warns about lack of virus tracing? And they're also warning of a second wave. It's okay, everybody. Democrats have proposed a HR 666 bill to trace you, $100 billion contact tracing bill. U.S. risking a second wave and depression. A second wave of U.S. virus cases will plunge the economy into depression. With all these bailouts, the unemployment, more printing of money, this is decreasing the value of the U.S. dollar, and this has been going on for a long time. The value of the dollar is decreasing, which is hyperinflation. It happened in Venezuela, one of the richest countries in the world. It happened in Zimbabwe. It happened in Argentina. It happened in Germany before World War II. And it also happened in Rome. And a lot of people say all roads lead to Rome, and we are living in the new Rome. Anyway, have a good day. Like and share this video, and God bless you.
We are being censored. America's news outlets no longer provide the truth. I'm Joshua Phillip, senior investigative reporter with the Epoch Times, and we stand for truth and tradition. 90% of news outlets in the United States are controlled by 6 corporations. They're not out to tell you the truth of what's happening. They're out to tell you the picture of the world they represent. The mission of the Epoch Times is to chase the truth, to ground all statements in facts, and prevent people from being misled. This isn't just a mission of the paper, it's a mission of those involved in it.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.